Hi, I'm Xiaoli Xie. As a single crew operator, in front of and behind the camera, it took me a lot of planning, trial and error to shoot the movie. Multiple takes for a few second clip, hope to drive for perfection. It is a very time-consuming process during the shooting and the post-processing. I'm sharing some behind-the-scene process. First, cutting chives. This is the initial take. I then dropped the idea. Wintertime chives grew in an ugly container indoor. Does not look good. I adjusted the camera position, opted for an alternative approach for chives cutting. Here is a final take. Finger runs through the chives first. Press them down, motion, which gives the indication of cutting the chives. Leave some imagination for chives cutting. Now chives are on the cutting board. Make sure all objects are in the frame. Chive cutting trial. Wrong hand position, which my left hand blocked the view. I then adjusted the camera position. Here is the final take. Wipe chives to a ball. It was a very awkward position to shoot this clip. Hand and the ball need to be in frame first of all. After few trials adjusting the composition, here is a final take. Spin the ball. I just couldn't make a smooth spin without a little extra help. A little cake decoration turntable came to rescue in this case. Finally, here is a smooth spin shot. Lift squid shot. I found a sunny spot. After few trials, very destructive thumb was in the frame. Delete, 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 retake. Now thumb is out of frame now. However, the front rim of the ball is too high. I had to retake this one. Here is the final take. Cutting seafood, another very awkward position. I had a camera between my two arms during cutting while monitoring the camera screen. And on top of that, I was running out of squid, and I can't do another trial. Here is a final shot. Mixing batter, mixing all material, multiple take again. Everything in the frame is always the first thing to ensure in any shot. Flip pancake was planned, however, I didn't use it. Apparently, I'm not a good pancake flipper as I thought. Final pancake presentation. I found a good lighting spot, set up the background with grapes and flowers, to make sure that object is in focus. After all that hard work, finally, I deserve enjoy the pancake. Although it is cold already, still very tasty. Thanks for watching.